So here we have just created this user, right? We have just registered, and now since we have just registered, presumably we are currently logged in, right? We presumably, if I register with a website, my intention would be that I'm now currently logged in. So what we're going to do to store that, to remember that we are logged in our register, what we're going to do is that this brand new user that we just created, right? We're going to store it in the session. Right? We have the actual user. We're going to store it in the session in a special place. We can put it, well, we can put it anywhere we want, but as long as you put it somewhere that you remember where you put it, right? We can say that we're going to put it in the current user, right? We're going to put it in the current user, and in there we're going to put the actual user. Actually, we're going to store it in there. Okay. All right, excellent. So we stored in there. We can then check to see, who's the current user, who's the currently logged in user. Right. So we can do another post that says we can retrieve current user. So current user, right? And initially that current user might come back as null, right? Because no one has registered, right? So let's implement that, right? So current user is basically retrieving from the session, seeing if anybody's logged in. We're going to say send back as JSON, right? Whatever the request session, current user is in there, right? Current user. That's what we're going to send back. So if someone's just registered or logged in, right, it would be stored in the current user. Okay, let's restart. Let's restart. Actually, that user we just created earlier, presumably is in Mongo. No, let's see if that's true. Notice that yes, indeed I used Jose. So let's try it out. I just implemented current user. Let's see if I can create another user. Did I restart the server? Yes. Okay. So let's log in as someone else or create another user. So we'll say maybe Alex and Alex, and we're going to send. Okay, Alex is there. Let's see, make sure that it's in the database. Right, but now the difference is that if I ask for the current user, presumably that person is the current user. So let's copy this. Let's make that, save this. I'm going to say we're going to duplicate, and now this is going to be, we're going to ask for the current user. We're going to hit here current user. Okay, and so we're going to save that. We're not going to send anything in the body. Well, I mean, there's something in the body, but we don't care about it. So let's send that over. And we can even remove that and save and send. Notice that it comes back indeed with the user with the ID and everything, right? That was in the session, right? If I stop the server, and restart it, it will forget the session. So let me stop, and if I run it again, and then I ask for the current user, right? Notice that there's nothing, right? Because no one has logged in or no one has recently created a brand new user, right?